the moment we have been waiting for. After years of suffering, fear, and tears, Gaza is free. Free from bombs that echoed in every heart. Free from walls that confine dreams. Free to breathe again. Look at these faces. Faces that held on to hope when the skies were dark. Faces that endured the impossible. And today they smile, because today the nightmare begins to fade. To the mother who carried her child through rubble. To the father who prayed for dawn. To those whose homes were lost. To those who mourned, your endurance, your faith, your steadfast heart has been the light. They walk home, step by step, across the dust of destruction. They return not because all is restored, but because freedom calls them back. Because hope whispers, rebuild, rise, live. Today, the laughter of children rings out across Gaza's streets again. They draw with broken hands, painting new dreams. They run across rubble, chasing a future not yet built, but imagined. Gaza is free, yes, but freedom is not just the absence of war. It is the promise of dignity, of rebuilding, of justice. It's the song in our hearts. It's the strength to stand tall again. Let the world hear this. We are returning to our homes, to our streets, to our lives. We are rising from ashes, from grief, from silence. We are united in memory, in loss, in resilience. To every soul who stood with Gaza, your prayers counted. To every heart that wept in solidarity, you shared our pain. To every voice that called for justice, you gave strength to ours. Gaza is free, but we will not forget. We will not forget those lost. We will rebuild, stronger in spirit. We will let freedom live in our streets. We will let joy echo in our homes. Narrator, voice soft, hopeful. This is not the end of a story. It is the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter where Gaza breathes, lives, and dreams. Where freedom is not just an idea, but reality.
Gaza, you have returned. Gaza, you are free. May your dawn be gentle. May your future be just. May your people flourish. Gaza is free. The journey continues.